Hey, gearheads, welcome back to Trendz TV, your go-to channel for the hottest rides, the meanest machines, and the latest automotive breakthroughs. Today, we've got something absolutely insane for you. Buckle up because we're diving deep into one of the most highly anticipated muscle cars of 2025 and the return of an American legend, the Plymouth Road Runner. That's right, the Road Runner is back. And it's bringing modern muscle power, retro styling, and cutting-edge tech to the streets. If you love tire-shredding performance, aggressive design, and a beastly roar, then you're in for a treat. Let's jump right in. Exterior first impressions. This thing looks like an absolute menace. The front end commands attention with its sharp, aerodynamic lines while still paying homage to its classic 1970s predecessors. The wide, low-slung stance gives it an aggressive street presence, and the LED headlights incorporate a unique retro-inspired dual-lamp design with the modern twist. Right in the middle, you'll find a bold blacked-out grille with the iconic Road Runner badge, a nod to the past while embracing the future. But here's where it gets interesting. Plymouth has integrated active aerodynamics into the front fascia, helping with downforce and cooling. Air vents on the hood aren't just for show, they're functional, channeling air to keep that monster under the hood cool. Moving to the side profile, you can tell this isn't just a nostalgia trip, it's a full-fledged performance machine. The muscular fenders, sculpted lines, and slightly flared wheel arches give it an athletic stance that screams speed even when it's parked. Sitting on massive 20-inch lightweight forged alloy wheels wrapped in high-performance Michelin Pilot Sport tires, this beast is ready to grip the road and attack every corner with precision. Plymouth offers several vibrant heritage colors, including the iconic lemon twist yellow and Tabor red, paying homage to the Road Runner's bold past. The side mirrors are sleek and aerodynamic, with integrated turn signals, and the roof line smoothly transitions into a fastback style rear, enhancing its aggressive silhouette. Now, let's check out the rear. One word: intimidating. The 2025 Road Runner features a full-width LED taillight bar that stretches across the entire trunk, giving it a futuristic touch while still nodding to its muscle car roots. The trunk lid features a subtle ducktail spoiler, but if you opt for the high-performance package, you get an active rear wing for extra downforce at high speeds. Lower down, you'll notice a quad exhaust setup with black chrome finish tips that, trust me, when you hear this thing start up, it's going to send chills down your spine. And let's not forget the aggressive rear diffuser, which isn't just for aesthetics but also improves aerodynamics, keeping the car planted at high speeds. Interior now. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a blend of retro charm and modern innovation. The cockpit is driver-focused, designed for both comfort and performance. The seats, oh, there's something special. Plymouth has gone all out with premium Napa leather and Alcantara upholstery, featuring embroidered Road Runner logos on the headrests. If you opt for the track pack, you get lightweight bucket seats with extra bolstering to keep you locked in during spirited driving. The dashboard is a fusion of old-school muscle car design and modern tech, with a massive 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and an equally impressive 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system. It comes loaded with the latest Connect software, featuring Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, real-time performance telemetry, and even customizable drive modes. Plymouth has even thrown in an old-school beep-beep horn sound as a fun homage to the original Road Runner. The flat-bottom steering wheel is wrapped in perforated leather, with aluminum paddle shifters for quick gear changes. Behind it, you'll find a heads-up display that projects speed, RPMs, and navigation cues right onto the windshield. The center console houses a pistol grip shifter, another nod to the past, but with modern electronic precision. There are physical buttons for climate control. Thankfully, no overly complicated touch-sensitive nonsense here. Everything is built to make driving engaging, without unnecessary distractions. The sound system, a premium Harman Kardon setup that delivers crystal clear audio, but let's be honest, you'll probably want to listen to that V8 roar instead. Performance. Speaking of performance, this is where the new Road Runner truly shines. Under the hood, Plymouth has unleashed a beast, a supercharged 6.2-liter HEMI V8 pumping out a jaw-dropping 750 horsepower and 650 pounds-to-feet of torque. This power plant is derived from Dodge's Hellcat lineage but has been re-engineered with upgraded internals, improved cooling, and enhanced tuning. And for those who want something a bit different, there's even a twin-turbocharged inline-six Hurricane engine option delivering 550 horsepower for a more balanced yet still exhilarating experience. Power is sent to the rear wheels through either a 6-speed manual transmission for the purists or an advanced 8-speed automatic with lightning-fast shifts. So, how does it perform on the road? Acceleration is brutal, launching from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds. Quarter mile. Expect low 11s with ease. The top speed, an estimated 200 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest production muscle cars on the market. But it's not just about straight-line speed. Plymouth has engineered the suspension for incredible handling. The adaptive dampers adjust in real time, stiffening up for spirited driving and softening for comfortable cruising. The steering is precise, offering incredible feedback, and the massive Brembo brakes provide insane stopping power, ensuring you can rein in all that fury when needed. Now, let's talk price. The base model starts at around $65,000, which, considering the performance and heritage, is an absolute steal. Opt for the high-performance track pack, carbon fiber trim, and upgraded exhaust, and you're looking at closer to $85,000. But for what you're getting, a modernized muscle car legend with mind-blowing performance, it's hard to argue against it. So, is the 2025 Plymouth Road Runner the ultimate muscle car reborn? Absolutely. It's got the power, the presence, and the pedigree to make a lasting impact. Plymouth has taken a classic nameplate and brought it roaring into the future, blending nostalgia with cutting-edge technology and track-ready performance. If you're a muscle car enthusiast looking for a thrill, this beast should be at the top of your list. What do you think? Does the new Road Runner live up to its legendary status? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more insane car content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. This has been Turbo Trendz TV, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay fast, stay furious, and keep chasing those horsepower dreams. Beep beep.